Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your MEXC account. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC mobile application, and then you need to simply log in with the help of your login credentials. Now, if you are completely new, you must be new because you haven't verified your account. So I would highly recommend you to use the sign up link that is given in the description. And if you use that link, you will be able to create your account here and you can avail the 8,000 USDT bonus. So once you have created your account here, in order to verify your identity, simply tap on your profile icon in the top and then tap on the verify option. Then you will be landed on this page where you will see two different options of KYC. The first is of primary KYC that will just help you to kickstart with the crypto journey. So if you are completely new, you haven't used any of the exchanges before and this is your first exchange, instead of advanced KYC, I would recommend you to go with the primary one because this will help you to understand the format. It will open some features for you and you will be worth it by primary KYC, and then you can proceed to the advanced KYC. But if you want to use this account for longer period of time, you have great experience with crypto exchanges, you can just select the advanced KYC option, and it is also recommended by MEXC. So once you select this option, you will have to first of all provide the proof of identity. You need to have any of the ID cards that are mentioned here and you need to upload that images here. And in the second step, you need to simply verify your facial recognition. You need to verify your face. So in these two steps, you can easily verify your MEXC account. So tap on the start verification process, select which ID do you want to use for this verification. Let's say I want to select ID card, but before that, make sure that you select your region or your country here. After that, tap on the next option in the bottom right hand corner and it will show you the requirements that will look like this. So here you need to upload the front side of your ID, then back side of your ID and proceed. After that, on the next page, you need to just take a selfie of yourself and submit your verification request. Now within 24 hours, you will receive an email from MEXC that you have successfully verified your MEXC account, and this way you can do it easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.